New here, welcome to 1SME Talks. Let's begin. 10 tips on how to make an effective follow-up as a startup business. 1. Personalize your message. Avoid generic, template-based emails. Reference specific details from your last conversation, such as a topic you discussed, a question they asked, or a shared connection. This shows that you were listening and that your follow-up is not an automated mass message. 2. Be timely. The window for an effective follow-up is often short. For sales leads, aim to follow up within 24 hours of your initial contact. For networking or informational meetings, a follow-up within 1 to 2 days is ideal. Waiting too long can cause you to be forgotten. 3. State your purpose clearly. Get straight to the point. Remind the recipient of who you are and why you're reaching out. Don't beat around the bush. Clearly state your call to action, whether it's scheduling another meeting, getting feedback, or providing requested information. 4. Add value with every touchpoint. Don't just check in. Provide something of value in each follow-up. This could be a relevant article, a new piece of data, a testimonial from another client, or a quick update on your progress. This positions you as a helpful resource rather than a persistent pest. 5. Respect their time and method of communication. If they prefer email, stick to email. If they are responsive to a quick text, use that. Keep your messages concise and easy to read. A long, dense email is likely to be put aside and forgotten. 6. Offer multiple call to actions (CTAs) instead of a single, demanding request. Give them options. For example, are you available for a 15-minute call next week, or would you prefer a brief video demo? This makes it easier for them to say yes to something and moves the conversation forward. 7. Be persistent, not annoying. There's a fine line between persistence and annoyance. A good rule of thumb is to follow up a few times over a period of a week or two, then give it a break. Don't send multiple messages in a single day. If you don't get a response after several attempts, it might be time to move on or try a different approach later. 8. Use different channels strategically. If your email follow-ups aren't getting a response, try a different channel. This could be a brief message on LinkedIn, a quick phone call, or a connection through a mutual acquaintance. The key is to be strategic and not overwhelming. 9. Summarize and clarify next steps. In your follow-up, reiterate what was discussed and propose clear next steps. For example, as we discussed, I've attached the proposal. The next step is to schedule a call with your team to review it. How does Tuesday look for you? 10. Thank them and show gratitude. Always start or end your follow-up with a genuine thank you for their time and consideration. This simple act of politeness leaves a positive impression and reinforces the professional relationship you are trying to build. Thanks for watching. Until next time.